In 1 minute, we will give a few skills to create easily a dynamic app with Streamlit and the Python library time. As you can see, we build a casino of emojis which works as a real one. Streamlit is an easy way to deploy Dynamics apps. As you can see in the playground, you just need to import the library and to write st before your codes. The power of Streamlit is that it's very compatible with Python codes. You need, first, to import time library. Time library is an easy way to create dynamics effects with an app. On the playground, we have created a quick time watch for 5 seconds. To record the real time of a second, you need to write time.sleep 1 in your loop. You can notice that we can use the custom button of Streamlit as a very nice trigger for our project. With the Python library random and random choice, you can build a casino machine for emojis.